Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to manually backup your chats on WhatsApp. So if you want to manually backup your chat on WhatsApp, then let me show you how to do this. So first, go ahead and open up WhatsApp. Next, go ahead and tap on Settings, then tap on Chats. From here, go ahead and tap on Chat Backup. And now, as you can see, it's currently set to auto backup monthly. However, if you want to do a manual backup, go ahead and tap on Backup Now. And this will basically do a manual backup right away. As you can see, it's currently doing the backup. Once backup is completed, it'll show you the status at the top, where it's basically saying it's taken a last backup, which was today at 7:52. And there you go. That is how to manually take a backup on WhatsApp. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.